If your newborn is sneezing a lot, don't panic. This is what it really means. Newborns sneeze a lot, sometimes even more than adults. But most of the time, it's completely normal and there is nothing to worry about. Babies' noses are very sensitive and tiny. Sneezing will help them clear small irritants like dust or milk droplets. Sometimes they sneeze a lot even with small changes in temperature. If your baby is eating well, sleeping well, and growing normally, frequent sneezing is just their way to stay comfortable. Consult with your pediatrician if sneezing comes with other symptoms like fever, coughing, or breathing problems. Share this with a new parent who may be worried.